Okay, so this is a hill I wanted to climb, but I've changed my mind based on the situation a couple of minutes ago. Doesn't look like it from the image of the video, but it's the steepest hill I know of in my neighborhood. Like, I've made 75 kilometers per hour riding it downhill on my MTB, and not my skills on the motorbike. Neither the motorbike is not the best tool to try it. It's wet, the sun is shining there, so it will be slimy at some places, and I really want to do it today. So we will go a better, easier road, and maybe we will end up at the same point. Let's see. And next time I need to take my MTB goggles because the the shield on the helmet is not working. the the air I breathed frozen there, so it's useless. And at this speed, it's totally fine riding without it. But yeah, I would be more comfortable with goggles, definitely. And this is really an easy road. I don't want to jinx it. Might be some surprises. There is one steep slope, about, I don't know, 30-50 meters. I will need to tackle, I guess. But besides that, it's just like this, so it should be completely fine. And let me see, in here we can't make it. Too many people were driving there with their cars. In here it's also blocked, so we will see. I should probably stand. Yes. Okay, rear is slipping, obviously. But so far, so good. I'm really glad I didn't do the climb, hill climb I wanted to earlier. Like, if it would be 10 plus degrees or like regular weather, it shouldn't be a problem at all, but not today, I guess. Okay. So, I will look here if it would be possible to go to the big stone menhir from here. I would need to go through the fields. This chunk is with grass. That is pure soil. Fuck it. I will find better places. And I will also go around this steep slope. But on the grass, it might be even worse. Let's see. And by the way, I have 50-50 tires, but most of you know it's just marketing. They are not 50-50, they are mostly for roads. The mine are Dunlop Trail Max Rate, and they are pretty good for these light off-road roads, but when it's slippery, it's good as any other 50-50 tire. So it's not good. I'm constantly slipping rear end. Okay, better in here. Ah, okay. I know you didn't see anything, but oh my God. Ah, like this kind of off-road for my scale so far, it's plenty of adrenaline for me. And I know how it looks on the camera, like totally boring. Like, what am I talking about, right? Okay, sitting position for a while. Yes, yes, yes. Come, 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 come. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, this should be better. Not much. Right now it's probably better. I'm sitting, but I will try standing because maybe it will be less slippery on the rear end. Not sure. I don't feel it on my butt, but it's changing direction all the time, like a few centimeters left and right. As I said, it's plenty adrenaline for me with this bike and with my skills right now. And it's beautiful here. It's really, this is nice. And I will need to check whether I need to go in here. Probably, I guess. Okay, so see you later.